Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Physics problems like this block and spring collision are actually super simple if you know the right trick. Let's solve this together right now. Start by looking at the impulse momentum theorem, which states that the change in momentum equals the average force times time. We have the mass and the initial velocity right here. Since the block stops at time t1, the change in momentum is just the final momentum minus the initial. We simply divide that total change by the time interval. This calculation gives us the average force directly without needing the spring constant. That makes option A the perfect choice for our final answer today. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when reading, trust the given variables, and check your steps.